Welcome to a journey of cosmic proportions, where ancient wisdom meets modern science. Today, we delve deep into the origins of life on Earth, unearthing fascinating parallels between ancient texts and cutting-edge research. Get ready to unlock the secrets of our existence as we explore the origins of life, an in-depth exploration. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join us on this exhilarating journey. When we embark on a journey to unravel the enigma of life's inception, we find ourselves confronted with an age-old question that has perplexed humanity for centuries. How did life on Earth begin? Evolutionary theory has successfully elucidated the progression of life from single-celled organisms to Homo sapiens, but it falls short in addressing the fundamental query of life's genesis. Beyond this lies an even more profound inquiry: is life on Earth an exceptional phenomenon, unparalleled within our solar system, our galaxy, or even the entire universe? The Sumerian connection. According to the Sumerians, the seed of life was brought to Earth by Nibiru during the celestial battle with Tiamat. Remarkably, modern science has made substantial strides in converging with this ancient perspective. Contemporary scientific consensus posits that Earth's atmosphere initially formed from gases ejected during the tumultuous upheaval of a wounded planet. As volcanic eruptions raged, clouds of vaporized water began to shield the Earth, subsequently condensing into torrential rains. Oxidation and geological processes played their part, contributing higher levels of oxygen to Earth's atmosphere, while plant life introduced oxygen and carbon dioxide, commencing the nitrogen cycle through bacterial symbiosis. Remarkably, these scientific findings align with the ancient texts, such as the Enuma Elish, describing volcanic activity preceding the formation of the atmosphere, oceans, continents, and eventually, the appearance of life on Earth. The transition to life. However, the transition from inert organic compounds to animate life remains a critical juncture. Life, as we understand it, hinges on the ability to absorb nutrients and replicate, not merely exist. The ancient tale of creation in Genesis acknowledges that even when man, the most complex creature on Earth, was sculpted from clay, divine intervention was necessary to breathe the spirit of life into him. This need for the involvement of genetic coding in the transition from inanimate to animate matter gave rise to the made of clay hypothesis. Notably, the idea that clay played a vital role in the origin of life was publicly discussed in 1977, suggesting that Earth's shores held a crucial key to this mystery. The role of oxygen and complex life. To comprehend the biblical account's accuracy, we must delve into the evolution of life on Earth. For more complex life forms to thrive, oxygen was indispensable. This vital oxygen supply became available after algae and proto-algae colonized the terrestrial landscape, leading to oxygenation. The Bible echoes this sequence, stating that green vegetation appeared on day 3, while maritime life emerged on day 5. The transition from simple life forms to vertebrate creatures hinged on Earth's orbital and rotational stability, influenced by celestial bodies like the sun and moon. These heavenly factors regulated the cycles of light and darkness, paving the way for the biological clocks that govern all life forms on our planet. The advent of vertebrates. Around 500 million years ago, the first maritime vertebrates surfaced, followed by land vertebrates approximately 100 million years later. This pivotal transition marked the shift from the Lower Paleozoic to the Upper Paleozoic era. As the Upper Paleozoic era drew to a close around 225 million years ago, Earth witnessed a proliferation of life forms, including amphibians that transitioned from water to land. This phase laid the groundwork for the evolution of reptiles, with today's crocodiles being remnants of this era. The biblical perspective on life's evolution. The biblical verses of Genesis recount these developments with astonishing accuracy. They describe the emergence of large reptilians during the 5th day of creation, coherently aligning with the evolutionary record of that period. The term large tannanim in Hebrew has been variously translated as sea serpent, sea monsters, and crocodile, yet it might well refer to dinosaurs. This interpretation suggests that the Anunnaki, possessing advanced knowledge, comprehended Earth's evolutionary course as adeptly as modern scientists in the 20th century. The dinosaur-bird transition. Notably, the Bible lists birds before dinosaurs, challenging early scientific notions that birds evolved from dinosaurs. Archaeopteryx, once deemed a missing link between dinosaurs and birds, has sparked debate. Recent fossil discoveries indicate that Archaeopteryx was more akin to a fully developed bird with an ancient origin separate from dinosaurs. This biblical order of listing birds ahead of dinosaurs reflects an intriguing insight that still warrants exploration. The demise of dinosaurs and the rise of mammals. Around 65 million years ago, the age of dinosaurs met a sudden end, heralding the dawn of the sixth day. This period, known as the Cenozoic era or the Age of Mammals, witnessed the proliferation of mammals across Earth. The Genesis narrative mirrors this, with the creation of humans occurring only after the culmination of all previous days of creation. The transition from inanimate to animate. Now, we delve into the crux of our inquiry: how did inanimate matter transform into animate life? The transition from inert compounds to life, defined by the ability to absorb nutrients and replicate, is undeniably possible, given that life exists on Earth. The speculation that life may also exist elsewhere within our solar system and beyond presupposes this possibility. Hence, our focus shifts to understanding how life initiated on Earth. The role of RNA and DNA. To understand this transition, we must delve into the two fundamental molecules at the core of life: proteins and nucleic acids, particularly DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA, ribonucleic acid. These molecules operate within cells, carrying instructions and enabling replication. The mystery of life's emergence. The critical question remains: how long did it take for life to evolve these intricate compounds, without which life as we know it would be inconceivable? Fossil evidence provides some insight. Fossils of algae, microscopic multicellular organisms dating back 3.5 billion years, indicate that life had already progressed to an advanced stage during that period. Prior to algae, bacteria likely played a pivotal role in the evolutionary process. The primordial gene. Computerized studies of a type of RNA called transfer RNA suggest that the genetic code on Earth cannot be older than 3.8 billion years. This leads to the intriguing possibility that a primordial gene, carrying the message of proliferation, emerged during this time frame. The question arises: could this gene have originated extraterrestrially? Panspermia and directed panspermia. The concept of panspermia, where life or its precursors are distributed throughout the cosmos, has gained traction. Evidence shows that comets, meteors, and interstellar dust carry organic chemicals and elements essential for life. Could these building blocks have been seeded from space to Earth? The idea of directed panspermia, deliberate seeding by an extraterrestrial civilization, once met with skepticism, now finds renewed interest. Recent scientific advances suggest that life's essential components may indeed have extraterrestrial origins. In our pursuit of life's origins, we find ourselves revisiting ancient wisdom preserved by the Sumerians. Their accounts of celestial events and the seed of life imparted to Earth during the celestial battle resonate with modern scientific discoveries. The Anunnaki, who possessed advanced spacefaring capabilities, seemingly understood these phenomena long before our time. As we continue to explore the mysteries of life's inception, we find ourselves harmonizing with the echoes of ancient knowledge that have transcended millennia. Thank you for joining us on this captivating voyage through the mysteries of life's beginnings. We hope you've enjoyed our exploration of the origins of life, an in-depth exploration. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow seekers of knowledge. And remember, the quest for understanding never ends. Stay curious, keep exploring, and stay tuned for more exciting content right here on Baldy's Thoughts. Until next time, take care, and never stop questioning. Be sure to subscribe, check out our playlist for more fascinating topics, and connect with us on social media. See you soon.